Hi everyone, my name is Mariana Mendoza Martinez, and I will be presenting a lesson, part of my lesson for third grade mathematics. And I call this lesson Pizza Party Fractions. And in this lesson, students will explore equivalent fractions using pizza-sized manipulatives and number lines. The lesson is aligned with the TEKS, specifically 3.3F, which focuses on representing equivalent fractions with denominators of 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8, using objects and pictorial models, including number lines. Along with supporting standards 3.3A and 3.3G, which help students represent fractions and explain fraction equivalency through models. So now I will present the engagement section of this lesson, where students' curiosity is sparked by comparing pizza slices and thinking about whether different fractions can represent the same amount. Okay. So, hello class. Let's take a closer look at these pizzas. So this pizza is cut into 4 equal slices, and 2 of them are shaded, as you can see. So that means we have 2 out of 4 slices, or 2/4. Now, look at this other pizza. It's cut into 2 big slices, and 1 slice is shaded. That's 1/2. So if you look carefully, which pizza do you think has more shaded? Does it look like one pizza is bigger than the other? Or could they be the same? Even though the slices look different. So take a moment to really think about it. Okay, sometimes slices can look bigger or smaller depending on how the pizza is cut. So imagine you're sharing a pizza with a friend. You want to make sure you both get the same amount, right? So even if your slices look different, could you still have the same amount of pizza? That's exactly what fractions help us understand. So when we say 2/4 or 1/2, the numerator tells us how many slices we have. In this case, 2 or 1. And the denominator tells us how many slices the whole pizza is divided into, 4 or 2. So we'll learn more about these words, numerator and denominator, later in the lesson. But before we start building our own pizzas, I want you to think about these questions. Can different fractions show the same amount? And how can you tell if 2 fractions are equal? Next, you'll get your own pizza slices to build pizzas and see if fractions that look different actually mean the same amount. It's going to be fun discovering this together. So, alrighty then, let's get ready to explore and discover more equivalent fractions. Okay, and that is the end of the engagement section for my lesson. So, thank y'all.